Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to build an HourGlass. Very interesting HourGlass using our matrix display that we have attached to our Arduino project during the last episode. If you haven't watched the episode, please make sure that you watch the previous episode where I am showing how the matrix 7219 display can be connected to Arduino. So here is how the HourGlass works. This uses the same touch input that we have used earlier, using the analog input A0 as the touch input. And here is the HourGlass. This is a spiral HourGlass where it goes around like this to complete the entire display, and then it blinks a couple of times and also it beeps. And you can reset the HourGlass by touching the wire anytime. The interval for this HourGlass is set as 1 minute, but you can change it in the code to whatever value that you want. Like for instance, if you are studying for say 20 minutes slot, you can set the timer value as 20 minutes. We'll go over the code, okay? So the initial section is same as what we have used earlier for our touch input. Then we have the pin definition for the matrix 7219 display. Again, same as our last video, and we are also adding a buzzer. So here we have the variable defined for the total time, that is 1 minute in terms of milliseconds. So rest of the code is similar to what we have done earlier. Now let's look at the logic. So here we are making calculation time per LED, that is total time divided by the number of LEDs. We have 64 LEDs, so we divide the total time in milliseconds by the number of LEDs. So we know that in the loop how much delay we need to spend for each LED. Okay, so that value is set here. We increment the current LED which starts from 0. If current LED is more than 64, we reset it back to 0. Okay, and then we have the main function that displays the LED dots in a spiral fashion. Okay, so we'll look at that code now. Here we are defining a two-dimensional array for the spiral movement. So when we call this function with a specific LED number, what it will do is it will light up that LED next in line for the spiral. That is all the code is for. And anytime we touch, we will beep once and reset. See, for instance, timer is running now. If you touch it, timer will beep and restart. Okay, so this is a very nice visually appealing project which you can put it in a nice box and use it for your studies. Good luck. See you again with another project. Please remember to like, subscribe and give your comments.